Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. Today we will show you how to pin the recycle bin in your taskbar. So, let's start. If we try to pin our recycle bin in the taskbar in Windows 10 or Windows 11, we will find that we cannot pin it to our taskbar. To be able to do this, first, we need to create a shortcut to our recycle bin. So, right-click on your desktop. Then New. Then Shortcut. And copy this command and paste it here. Don't worry, I'll leave it in the video description. Click Next. You can type a name for this shortcut here. I'll name it Recycle Bin. Then, click Finish. Now we created a shortcut for the recycle bin. And if we open it, it will open the original recycle bin. So, I'll delete any file from my desktop. And open the shortcut. And as we can see, the deleted file is here. But we see that the icon image looks like a folder. So we need to change it to be looks like a recycle bin. So right-click on Shortcut. Properties. Change icon. We can choose any icon for it. But there is no recycle bin icon here. So click Browse. Go to Windows folder. Then System32. Then file called imagers.dll. Select it. And click Open. You will find the new icons here. We will search for the recycle bin icon. And select it. Then click OK. Then OK. And we will find the icon change to look like the recycle bin. Now, drag and drop the shortcut to your taskbar. And it will pin to the taskbar. And you can access it from your taskbar anytime. And now you can delete the shortcut we created before. That's it. I hope the video was useful for you, and if you like this video, just hit like button and share it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.